Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. So the channel name is SimpleTech, right? So sort of the concept that we're going to be going over on this channel is the big scary world of technology. And so really what we're going to be looking at is the fact that technology really isn't as scary as it seems. And really it can be broken down. You can find other videos and stuff like that here. So we're going to try on SimpleTech to make the tech world not so scary for you. So over the next 14 weeks, we'll have different topics going on and other things like that. There's really a lot of topics that I have yet to learn in my career here. So we'll go over some of my background. I am an IST student here at Penn State. And so this class that we're taking, our assignment is to create a YouTube video every week, sort of as a blog post, and show the world really what we're learning. And so today, I'll even go more into my background actually. So in the track I'm in, which is called Integration and Application, you learn all facets of IT, right? So you go through databases, you do a little bit of coding, go through some project management skills, and then I'll also have a security background. So through that, I realized that I'm also falling short in some areas because there is so much to IT going on. So one of those being learning other languages, and especially learning them in depth. So really one of the big things that I try to strive for is to learn as much as I can from other tools. And so you can see here, it's called Code Academy. So it's actually one of my favorite online coding tutorial services. And it makes it really easy to learn. And so we'll go through here. You can see right now I just have the free version just because cheapo. But don't worry about that because there is so much to learn. So look at here. All these skill paths that you can go down. There's hundreds of headlines you can go down, and really any language you're trying to learn, at least even start from basics, this is the place to go. So one of the main places to down here is this section. So you see everything that's marked pro. Obviously, I don't have access to, so I can't learn that. But for my part, I'm going through this, and right now I'm actually going through this course called Learn Python 2. Just because it's one of the courses that aren't included in my curriculum, but I feel like it is something I need to learn, especially for some of the jobs I'm applying for. And they do like to hear that you're sort of going out of your way to strive for more information and things like that. So doing Code Academy I've used for a couple of years now, whenever I've taken a more difficult Java class, and then also learning Python on my own, which I find pretty useful. So here's an example of one of the what courses would be. So this one is just we're going through how to do while loops. So this is one of the more basic ones, right? And so you can see in the instructions, we're just filling in the loop conditions so that if the choice doesn't equal y or n, then we throw this little error message down here, right? So we'll do, while choice does not equal yes or y, we'll call it, and choice does not equal n, right? So that's simple. And then you run it, and you can see over here in the other part of the console, you just click over here and join the course. Let's say we put in a T, that doesn't work, right? So we're looking for the input of Y, and then boom. And what happens next is that you can go now to your next lesson, and you can just keep going. So this is infinite loops. How to work through those in Python. Really, I find that this is the best way to learn coding, because you're going through each instruction. It's very slow. It's at your own pace, because I can go back to this. I know this entire tutorial itself is 25 hours of total work, so I can put in an hour now, and then if I do an hour every day, 25 days, I've gotten Python pretty good. So this is only lesson, I think I'm on lesson 4 or 5 of this 10 lesson series, so almost halfway in there. So that kind of gives you an idea of what the channel is going to be like. And each week we're going to have different videos that do the same thing. In terms of what I'd like to learn over the semester, so I've always been interested in how different parts of the stack work in an IT environment, right? So how does the application layer talking with the network layer using CSS, HTML, really how all these different programs are talking to each other is really what I've come to learn. And we have a great teacher who's going to be telling us all about that. So I'm very excited for this semester, and hope you guys join me for the journey. Thanks.